Hello, folks. So, today's video we are going to generate the QR code using Python and Tincter. So, it should accept the URL as the input and it should generate the QR code in the GUI window. For GUI purpose, we are installing Tincter. So, now it has started generating the code. It is like how to generate that code, this code. It is doing some crazy stuff. So let's wait. Once it is completed, we are going to run it, and if it is working or not, we are going to see. So let's copy paste this one. Okay. So I have already named the file called qrgenerator.py. So I'm just pasting it this one. So we'll try to run this one. So I'm opening the command. So these are the packages which we need to install. If it is already installed, it will show. If it is not, it will get installed. So once done, now we are going to run that file. So where it is based, it is an under ChatGPT Python space qrgenerator.py. This is the file name. Okay, I'm going to give some URL and it is going to generate it. Google.com. Take your mobile and you can try to scan it. So it will redirect you through the google.com domain. Like I'm taking some of my another domain. I'm taking this one. So let's generate this one also. Generate QR code. So now you can scan this one also. It will redirect you to this site. So as we checked, it is working perfectly fine without any alteration. We'll see you in next video, guys. Thank you.